interesting what you were saying, that it's not something you do consciously. Tell us something more, because presumably in a class, as opposed to one-on-one, you're doing it yourself.
Correct.
Whereas if you're in a one-to-one, somebody else is helping you do the movement.
Yes, let me talk about that.
Yeah.
So in both cases, we're working with your habits. We're working with your preferred ways of moving and organizing yourself, which, are the ones, your habits that facilitate your abilities, and they're the ones that facilitate your problems. And so we want to change those habits. And in a private lesson, I'm moving you, and I can sense your habits, and I can interact with them, and I can modify them. And it's like, you're in your box, I'm on the outside of your box and changing it. So you're doing a class, which we call awareness through movement. I'm guiding you through a series of movements combined with awarenesses. I'm asking you to try out some of these often strange and unusual combinations of movements.
Yeah.
And by doing that, you kind of expand your habits, you expand your box from the inside out. Is kind of a way of looking at that. But you don't have to I'm not giving you, do A, B, C, and D and go practice this. We don't do the same routine every time. Each lesson is different. Each lesson addresses a different aspect of functioning and improves a different ability. And so we kind of bring those habits forward in a conscious awareness a little bit. We work with them. We interact with them. We let them go outside conscious awareness. So they go back to second nature, so you don't have to practice or think about it. They're there spontaneously. The changes are spontaneous for you. It's one of the beauties of the Feldenkrais work.